So good evening, family. I'm just waking up from sleep, and there is a place called Kpatawee Waterfall. It's about an hour journey on a motorbike from here to the Kpatawee Waterfall side. So I will be going outside right now to get the bike man that will take me there. At least let me go and see the place, feel the nature, and at least I think my head will calm down a little bit. So follow me, let's go there and see how Kpatawee Waterfall looks like. Let's go. To this place? Wow. How you doing? Park outside. So this is it that people stay inside?
No, we're not there personally, but there's a lodge.
Okay, this is a lodge.
Yeah.
Like we want to sleep?
Yeah. Spend the night.
Wow.
14 baht for everything.
Wow. This is unbelievable.
This is 90, that's 125.
How much do you pay for this?
90.
$90.
US. 125.
90 US dollars.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a $90 house for a night.
Yeah.
Wow. Now let's move to the VIP. This place is cool, but just the place is far.
Yeah.
It's very far.
Just to Bawi is far.
I think we spent almost 1 hour plus coming here.
Would you come from the road?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. This is nice. So how much for this?
125.
125 US dollars. Breakfast. Wow. is good. Wow. So how long has this building been here?
This has been here 1 year plus now, 1 year from home.
Okay. 1 year. Wow. Yeah, it's nice. Wow. How cold is this place? Very cold.
It's very cool, but it's still good.
It's cool, yeah.
So when it's like that, you don't think about air conditioning.
Exactly. Yeah.
But some people will come, no air conditioning,
No. You don't need to think about.
But at times when they like her, they will call for them. They come and leave from there. Hey, boom. Boom, man. Mawa. This is our restaurant.
Okay.
Like, you're all right there and start to go all away.
Wow.
Yeah. But we don't very good when people say we stop from scratch to like organic food.
Okay.
I said, you were driving the grass. And
Wow. This is cool.
Hello, guys.
Yeah, hello, sir. Yeah, thank you.
So we're not going there. If you are driving there, I want them to go to the
So, this is the waterfall. Wow. How deep it is? Very deep.
But now, maybe like that was like the
Wow.
12 to 13 feet in here now.
12 to 13 feet. Jesus. Wow. So is there any time where the water normally goes down?
Yeah, dry season.
Okay, dry season. Okay. If not, I'm only imagining the pressure. The water pressure is someone with something.
Sometimes the whole place overflow.
Wow.
The water over the whole place.
It's the way you connected the water from. Okay. So this is the water people use.
No, we use it for the rice farm, irrigation.
Okay.
It's an irrigation center for the rice farm.
Okay, for the rice. Okay, the rice one I saw there.
So doing like dry season, we need to do without water for doing rice.
Wow.
Yeah.
So let's cross to the other side. Bro, are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. This is massive. Seriously. So this is from the top side. But the level of pressure this water has is something else. The level of pressure. It has a lot of pressure.
Oh, a lot of pressure. This side is a smaller side, but that side is better than this side.
Yes, I can even look at it. Because that is the main. So is there anything from down here that is coming out from? Like, is there any river from that side? Wow.
This is a smaller fall. You see A4. We have the A4 is the bigger one.
Wow.
Very big. There's a walking about 25 feet long.
This is the female one.
Yeah.
Okay.